Let's learn Korean grammar through a song. Today's grammar is and learn. It connects verbs to their objects. What, whom, it tells you. I read a book, 책을 읽어요. I drink milk, 우유를 마셔요. If there's a final sound, use it. If there's no final sound, useless. It's just what you are doing. One who, user, handler. If there's a final sound, user. If there's no final sound, useless. To mark the object, user, and loop. I meet the teacher, 선생님을 만나요. If there's a final sound, user. I help my friend, 친구를 도와줘요. If there's no final sound, useless. It shows whom you are doing something to. Check has a final sound, so 책을. 친구 has no final sound, so 친구를. If there's a final sound, user. If there's no final sound, user. What and who, user and learn. Oh, who. If there's a final sound, user. If there's no final sound, user. To mark the object, user, and learn. Singing makes learning so easy.
감사합니다.